Yo, what is up guys, Tiimedesign here, back again with a new video. On today's video, I'm showing you guys on how to get the red duffel bag for your male and female character in GTA 5 Online with the new Los Santos Tuners DLC. So if this here does end up working for you, make sure you do go ahead and comment it down below so new people that watch the video can see that the glitch still works and they can also go ahead and try it out. And also, can you go ahead and drop a like so people can see the video has more likes than dislikes and they can go ahead and try it out and get the red duffel bag with the new Los Santos Tuners DLC. And now, let's get into the video. If you're low on money in GTA 5 Online for the new DLC, make sure you go ahead and check out Messy Modding store down below. They sell cheap and reliable modded accounts and even account boosting for Xbox, PlayStation, and even PC. So if you are low on money for GTA 5 Online, make sure you go and check out Messy Modding down below. And they even have tons of other services on their website, so make sure you go and check out Messy Modding down below. And now, let's get into the video. Now, to get the red duffel bag, all you want to do is head over to your auto shop. Now, if you do not own an auto shop, you can always find a friend or random person to help you out with this part of the glitch if you don't own an auto shop. But if you do, all you want to do is head over to your auto shop and go and start the contract called the lost contract. Now, if you do not have the lost contract on your board, you can go and start up any other random contract you have on your board, start it up, and then head outside of your auto shop, then call Sinasta, I believe that's how you pronounce your name, and then just cancel the job through your phone and then walk back inside of your auto shop. And then you can just keep on doing that over and over and over until you do get the lost contract on your board. But once you start the lost contract, all you want to do is go and start the first setup, which is called lab locations, and pretty much all you want to do is go ahead and start up the setup. Now, if you do not own the auto shop and you are having a friend to help you out with this or a random person, make sure you're in their CEO or MC or VIP to go ahead and get the duffel bag. If you're not in their CEO, MC, or VIP, you will not be able to get it, so make sure you do join them up before starting up the mission. So yeah, so once you start up the setup called lab locations, all you want to do is pretty much just head over to the Lost MC Clubhouse, which is the game tells you where to go to. Once you're there, you want to like shoot at the guys in the front. I just blew all them up with my oppressor Mark II, and just head inside of here and then pretty much shoot these guys up. I highly recommend for you to go ahead and use a shotgun since it's way more effective indoors. And yeah, and highly do not use an RPG because I ended up blowing myself up because of that truck that was next to me. So yeah, but once you guys do shoot all the guys inside, you just want to head over to the second floor, and the red duffel bag should be upstairs right over here, and pretty much you want to pick it up. Now, once you pick it up, don't do the same mistake I did, because I legit didn't even I didn't even know we had to get something else from inside of the MC Clubhouse, but I ended up walking outside and then I had to walk back inside because I forgot about the item because the game was telling me to go back inside. I was confused at first, but pretty much just once you get the red duffel bag, you want to head over to like a little doorway right over here, and the last item should be right inside. So you just want to pick that thing up, and now you can go ahead and head outside. So just don't do the same mistake I did, just don't do it, alright? But yeah, now once you have picked up the red duffel bag and finished up that part of the setup, all you want to do now is head back over to your auto shop in a flying vehicle. For me, I'm using a Mark II oppressor, but for you can use like a helicopter, deluxo, jetpack, whatever that can fly. Get into it, and you want to fly a high enough distance like I'm doing right here, and line yourself up with your auto shop, which I'm about to do, and just jump off just like this. Now once you jump off, all you want to do is go ahead and open up your parachute and make sure you line yourself up perfectly with the auto shop, because you want to land right on the yellow circle. So for me, I have like a billboard covering it kind of, so I gotta go around it real quick. There we go, and as you can see, the yellow circle is right there, and pretty much you just want to land right on it just like this, and there you go, and should like just put you right into the auto shop just like that. So there you go. Now when you spawn back inside, you should see like that red duffel bag right over there. But pretty much all you want to do once you have finished the mission, you just want to head outside and head over to any gun store around the map. But for me, I highly recommend for you to go ahead and head over to this gun store right over here, since it's the closest one over to the mask shop. So head over to that one right there, and yeah. So once you arrive at the gun store, all you want to do is head over to the gun manager, like cashier right over here. Head over to him, and you want to go over to the parachutes right on the left side and go to parachute bags, and all you want to do is go ahead and put on the Israeli parachute bag, which is going to be number 25. And if you're just wondering why you gotta put this one on, sadly it's the only one that I can glitch out the duffel bag, so yeah. But all you want to do now is go over to interaction menu, come over to parachutes, and just turn your parachute on, and then you should have the not the duffel bag, the parachute on just like this. And all you want to do now is head over to the mask shop right over here at the beach. If you don't know where it's located at, it's located right over here. But this part, make sure you're on your flying vehicle. For me, I'm using my Mark II oppressor, but for you, you can use whatever flying vehicle that can fly, or at least boost. Alright, so if you have like a scramjet, you can also use that. Just head over to the mask shop, boost up, and then you can jump off. But for me, I'm using my Mark II oppressor, and all you want to do now is fly a high enough distance like I'm doing right over here. Fly a high enough distance, and especially if you're using like a deluxe or a helicopter, do the same exact thing. And all you want to do is line yourself up with the mask shop just like this, and pretty much open up your parachute. And since I am very high up and I'm kind of close to the mask shop, I gotta go ahead and loop around just like this. And if you do it correctly, you should be like kind of close to the mask shop just like this. So all you want to do now is go ahead and line yourself up with the mask shop, and you just want to like crash right into it. All right, so just like this, here we go, just crashed. And once you land, keep on spamming right D-pad, just keep on spamming it while walking towards the mask shop. And if you did it correctly, you should go into it. And all you want to do now is go ahead and save your outfit. Now, if you did end up failing it, all you want to do is go back onto your flying vehicle and repeat the step of jumping off your flying vehicle until you do end up getting it. And for me, I called it red duffel. And once you saved it, just back out the mask shop. And as you guys can see, the duffel bag is not on me. Let me go and cancel that call real quick. There you go. But to put it on, come over to your style and go ahead and put on the outfit that you named it as. For me, I called it red duffel. And if I go and put on red duffel on my styles, you could get the outfit just like that. So as you guys can see, this glitch here was super easy. Legit, anybody can do it. Even if you don't have the requirements, you can still do this by finding a friend or random person to start the setup for you and even give you the Mark II oppressor or flying vehicle to go ahead and do this. So even if you're like a low level, you can still do this and get the red duffel bag. And if you guys did enjoy today's video and you did end up getting the red duffel bag, make sure you do go ahead and comment it down below so new people that watch the video can see the glitch still works and they can go ahead and try it out. And while you're down there, drop a like so people can see the video has more likes than dislikes, and they will know the video is real and they can go ahead and try it out. And while you're down there, can you go ahead and do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button with notifications on, because I do post these type of videos on my channel such as mod outfits, weekly money methods, and GTA 5 glitches. And I also do go live with subscribers, and you can always change your mind and unsubscribe. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and TiimeDesign sign out. Peace.